Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of time to do a quick flip through of this before it goes off to the recipient. So this is for someone who's going on a church retreat this weekend, and one of the themes is butterflies. And so I made this journal for her. Her name starts with C, and so this is a traveler's notebook. And this is a Tim Holtz thingy. And then I've got this charm here. Also Tim Holtz, I think. I'm not sure. Whenever I have a traveler's notebook that looks the same all over, I like to do something like a charm or something at the top just so you know what the top is. What the top, man? Okay, so let's dive in. This, I would say, is probably traditional-ish, wide traveler's notebook. Here's a card for her. This is part of a digi-kit. This is her name here. It's part of a digi-kit that I've done that I'll be having next week that's not ferns. This is sketch paper with a pencil. And then when she gets finished with this, she can replace it. There's the back if you want to pause and read that. And then here's the second insert, which is note paper for taking notes. And I did have a pen somewhere that's going to go with that. And then in the back pocket, I just included some notepad paper. And I didn't make a pad, I just stuck it in here. So, and then there's the back. So, all right, I will have the full digi-kit stuff next week sometime. All right, bye.